How to make flying cow in Infinite Craft. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this you will have to open up your game. After that you need to add fire on board, then add water to it. It will create steam for you. After that you need to add water to it, and this way you would be able to create cloud. Now you need to add earth on board. Now after that add water to it, and this way you would be able to get plant. Now you need to add cloud to it and you would get rain. Now keep it aside. After that you need to add water on board. After that add wind to it, and this way you would be able to create wave. Now we need to add water to it and we will create tsunami. Now we need to add more water to it and we will create ocean. After that we need to add earth to it. We will be able to create island after that. Now keep it aside, and now we need to add plant on board, and after that add water to it and we will be able to create swamp. Now we need to add plant again on swamp and we will be able to create Venus flytrap. Now add it to island and we will be able to create Venus. Now add this Venus on rain and we will get flower. Now we need to add Venus flytrap on flower and we will get carnivorous plant. After that we need to add tsunami on board and add wind to it. After that it will create hurricane. Now we need to add earth on board and add wind to it. This will create dust for us. Now we need to add fire on board. After that add fire on board, then add steam to it. It will create engine. Now add this engine to dust and it will create vacuum for you. Now add this vacuum on hurricane and it will create tornado. After that add this tornado to carnivorous plant, and this is how you get flying cow. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.